Today, we will talk about how to make money with Shopify. Making money with Shopify involves creating an online store and leveraging various strategies to attract customers and generate sales. Here are several ways to make money with Shopify. Dropshipping. Set up a Shopify store and partner with suppliers who dropship products. You list the products on your store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit by marking up the price. Selling your own products. Create your own products, such as handmade goods, artwork, or digital products, and sell them through your Shopify store. This gives you full control over pricing, quality, and branding. Print on demand. Use print-on-demand services to create custom-designed merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly to them, and you earn a profit. Drop servicing. Offer services such as graphic design, web development, or digital marketing through your Shopify store. You can outsource the actual work to freelancers or agencies and charge clients a higher price, earning a profit on the difference. Subscription products. Create subscription-based products or services, such as monthly subscription boxes or membership programs, where customers pay a recurring fee for access to exclusive content or products. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the top strategies for making money on Shopify. With dropshipping, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle those aspects for you. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the supplier fulfills and ships it directly to them. This means you can focus on promoting and selling products without the hassle of managing physical inventory. It's a great way to get started in e-commerce and can be very profitable if done right. 2. Developing apps or themes. Developing apps or themes for Shopify is another great way to make money on the platform. By creating useful and innovative apps, you can help other store owners enhance their Shopify experience and generate revenue from app sales. Similarly, designing attractive and functional themes can attract customers to purchase them for their online stores. With the wide range of customization options available on Shopify, there is a high demand for both apps and themes that can improve the overall user experience. So if you have coding or design skills, this strategy can be highly profitable. Plus, with the increasing popularity of Shopify, there are plenty of opportunities for developers and designers to showcase their talent and earn income through this avenue. 3. Becoming a Shopify affiliate. If you want to make money on Shopify, becoming a Shopify affiliate is a great strategy. As an affiliate, you promote Shopify and earn commissions for every new merchant that signs up through your referral link. It's a simple way to earn passive income by recommending an already trusted platform. You can share your referral link on your website, social media channels, or even through email marketing campaigns. By leveraging your marketing skills and network, you have the potential to earn significant commissions from each successful referral. It's a win-win situation. You help others start their online business while earning money yourself. 4. Flipping Shopify stores. Flipping Shopify stores is another proven strategy for making money on the platform. This involves buying existing Shopify stores, improving them, and then selling them at a higher price. It's like real estate investment, but in the digital world. To successfully flip a Shopify store, we need to find undervalued stores with potential for growth. We can make improvements by optimizing the design, enhancing product listings, and implementing effective marketing strategies. Once the store is performing better and generating more revenue, we can sell it for a profit. Flipping Shopify stores requires careful research, strategic planning, and an understanding of market trends to ensure a successful sale. 5. Monetizing social media channels. One effective strategy for making money on Shopify is by monetizing social media channels. By leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, you can promote your products or services to a wider audience and drive traffic to your Shopify store. This can be done through sponsored posts, collaborations with influencers, running targeted ads, or engaging with your followers through interactive content. By building a strong online presence and utilizing the power of social media marketing techniques, you can increase brand awareness and boost sales on your Shopify store. 6. Bringing a brick-and-mortar store online. If you already have a physical store, bringing it online can expand your reach and increase your sales. Shopify makes it easy to set up an online store with its user-friendly platform. You can showcase your products, manage inventory, and process payments all in one place. By taking your brick-and-mortar store online, you'll be able to reach customers who may not be able to visit your physical location. Additionally, you can tap into the growing trend of online shopping and leverage digital marketing strategies to attract more customers. It's a great way to diversify your revenue streams and grow your business. 7. Selling print-on-demand products. Selling print-on-demand products is another great way to make money on Shopify. With print-on-demand, you can create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without having to purchase inventory upfront. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly from the printing company. This means you don't have to worry about fulfillment or shipping logistics. Plus, there are plenty of apps and integrations available on Shopify that make it easy to set up your print-on-demand store and start selling unique products in no time. So if you're creative and enjoy designing merchandise, selling print-on-demand products could be a profitable venture for you on Shopify. 8. Offering handmade or custom products. One way to make money on Shopify is by offering handmade or custom products. This strategy works well if you have a talent for crafting unique items or designing personalized goods. By showcasing your creations on your Shopify store, you can attract customers who are looking for something special and different. Whether it's handcrafted jewelry, customized clothing, or personalized home decor, there's a market out there for people who appreciate the artistry and uniqueness of handmade or custom-made products. To succeed in selling handmade or custom products on Shopify, it's important to showcase the quality and craftsmanship of your items through high-quality product photos and detailed descriptions. You should also consider offering customization options to give customers the opportunity to personalize their purchases. Building a strong brand identity around your handmade or custom products will help you stand out from competitors and attract loyal customers who value authenticity and craftsmanship. 9. Curating and selling thrifted goods. Curating and selling thrifted goods is a fantastic way to make money on Shopify. With this strategy, we search for unique and high-quality items at thrift stores, vintage shops, or even online marketplaces. Then we curate a collection of these items and list them on our Shopify store. Customers love the idea of finding one-of-a-kind pieces and supporting sustainable fashion. By offering carefully selected thrifted goods, we can attract customers who appreciate the value of pre-loved items. This strategy allows us to tap into the growing trend of conscious consumerism while also making a profit. So if you have an eye for hidden gems and enjoy hunting for treasure in second-hand stores, curating and selling thrifted goods could be the perfect strategy for you on Shopify. 10. Selling niche products such as men's grooming, wellness, jewelry, and apparel accessories. We also found success in selling niche products like men's grooming items, wellness products, jewelry, and apparel accessories. These unique and specialized products cater to specific interests and needs, attracting a dedicated customer base. By focusing on these niches, we were able to stand out from the competition and offer something different to our customers. From beard oils to fitness accessories, there's a market for every niche product on Shopify. So if you have a passion for a certain type of product or industry, don't be afraid to explore it on Shopify and see how it can bring you financial success. Conclusion. In conclusion, Shopify provides a great platform for making money online. With its wide range of strategies like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling niche products, entrepreneurs have proven that they can achieve financial success on Shopify. By following these 10 proven strategies and implementing effective techniques for generating revenue, anyone can start their own profitable business on the Shopify platform. So get started today and unlock your potential for making money on Shopify. To generate income through Shopify, consider implementing proven strategies like sales funnels, online advertising, and product sourcing techniques. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.